Okay, dear student, welcome to the another computer graphics practical. So in the today's session, we are going to see a program to fill polygon using boundary fill method. So what is the boundary fill method that we have discussed earlier? So in the boundary fill method, basically what is the concept? In the boundary fill algorithm, the basic concept is filling the color in a closed area by starting at a point inside a region and paint the interior outward toward the boundary. So what is the requirement to fill the algorithm? Boundary should have a single color. Okay, now boundary should have the single color, means the pixel which are on the boundary side should have the single color. So you start from the point inside the region and fill the color interior outward toward the boundary pixel by pixel. So the process is that you check the default color of the pixel before filling. If the default color is not boundary color, then you fill it with the fill color. Okay, it means that we need to fill the interior color with the some another color and the boundary color should be the same color. So for this implementation, there are two methods. One is a 4 connected pixel method and another one is a 8 connected pixel method. So what is a 4 connected method? In 4 connected pixel method, you check, or we need to check the 4 pixel adjacent to the current pixel, namely toward the left, right, top and bottom. So we can fill the area with the 4 connected pixel method by the steps. So what are the steps that we'll see now? First we initialize the 4 values, namely x, y, fill color and default color. So in this program we will see this step by step. So what is the boundary fill algorithm for the polygon filling? So in the to fill the polygon using boundary fill method, we have two sub methods. One is a 4 connected method and another one is a 8 connected method. So what is the program? So we have initialized the header file, then graphics.h as a header file for the graphics program, mat.h for mathematical function. So we initialize the 4 values. Now in the boundary fill we need to initialize these 4 value x, y, then fill color and default color as a boundary color. Now if get pixel xy is not boundary color of pixel, then we need to fill it. It means that the every time we need to check the neighboring pixel of the boundary. Okay, means that if the neighboring color of the pixel is not same as the color of the particular interior color, then we can fill the color with the boundary color. Otherwise we need to fill the color with the fill color. So put pixel function xy f color, so it will put the pixel at the specified xy coordinate with the fill color. It means that the particularly when the color of the boundary is not same as the color of the fill color, interior color is different and the boundary color should be different. We need to check for the each adjacent pixel. So that's why I have written here boundary fill x plus 1, y, fill color and boundary color. So what it does, basically these four functions, four function of boundary fill, it will check for the every adjacent pixel, that is for the right, top, left and bottom pixel will be checked for the color. If the color should be different, so we can first initialize these 4 values, namely x, y, fill color and default color. Define the value of the boundary pixel color or boundary color. Now check if the current pixel is of default color, and if yes, then repeat step number 4 and 5. So what is the step number 4 and 5? Change the default color with the fill color at the current pixel. It means that for that we need to check the adjacent pixel every time. Then integer r, gd is equal to dtech comma gm. So what is the gd? Gd is a graphic driver. So we need to initialize the best graphic driver which is available for our program, and gm is a graphic mode. Then we need to enter the center point of a circle, that is xy, and we need to enter the radius of the circle. So init graph, this is a function where we can have the best graphic drivers available for our program. And finally this is the gm, that is the graphic mode. We can change from text mode to the graphic mode, and this is the path from where we can have the graphic driver available for our program. So we can draw a circle. So xy is the center of the circle and r is the radius. So boundary fill, so this function will fill the boundary with the specified color. So we can now see the program directly. Whatever the program I have written here, we can get it executed. Now this is a program for the boundary fill. Now we can execute it. So we'll mention the center point of this circle 150 and radius as a 22. So now you can see the boundary is filled with the specified color, that is a white, and interior is filled with the red color. It means that every time it will check for the interior pixel adjacent pixel position for the same color. Okay, thank you for watching the video.